Unlock your productivity with effective time management. Hey everyone, it's Luminous, and let's be real. We've all felt the weight of a jam-packed schedule, that feeling of constantly chasing deadlines, juggling responsibilities, and never quite feeling caught up. It can be a real productivity killer. You see, for the longest time, I was stuck in that cycle of overwhelm. I was working on multiple projects, trying to do it all, and ultimately spreading myself way too thin. It wasn't until I started prioritizing my tasks and managing my time effectively that things began to shift. That's what we're diving deep into today, taking back control of our time and using it as a tool to achieve our goals. We'll be exploring practical strategies and actionable tips that have personally helped me, and I'm confident they can help you too. So let's get started. One of the most impactful things you can do is to prioritize your tasks effectively. When you have a clear understanding of what's truly important, you can allocate your time and energy accordingly. A simple yet powerful tool I use is the Eisenhower Matrix. It helps you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Start by identifying your urgent and important tasks. These are the ones that need your immediate attention. Next, look at tasks that are important, but not urgent. These are things you should schedule time for, like long-term projects or personal development goals. Remember, mastering time management isn't about cramming more in, it's about making time for what truly matters. Let's face it, staying motivated can be a challenge. We all set ambitious goals, but it's easy to lose steam along the way. That's why breaking down those big goals into smaller, more manageable steps is crucial. Instead of focusing on the enormity of the entire task, celebrate those small wins along the way. Each step completed, no matter how tiny, is a victory. This not only makes the journey less daunting, but also provides a constant sense of accomplishment, fueling your motivation. Remember, consistency is key. Even on days when motivation is low, commit to taking even the smallest step forward. Those small actions, compounded over time, lead to remarkable results. Chapter 3. Building a Better You, How to Form Healthy Habits for a Better Life. We all have areas in our lives where we'd like to improve, right? Whether it's incorporating more exercise, eating healthier, or dedicating time for personal growth. The key is to start small. Instead of overwhelming yourself with drastic changes, begin with tiny, manageable steps. Want to exercise more? Start with just 5 minutes a day. The goal is to make it so easy that you can't say no. As you build consistency, gradually increase the duration or intensity. Remember, it's about building sustainable habits, not chasing quick fixes. Chapter 4. Winning the Day, Maximizing Your Morning Routine for Success. Many successful individuals credit their morning routine as a key factor in their achievements. I know it's been a game changer for me. Waking up even just a bit earlier can provide those precious, uninterrupted hours to focus on your goals. Use this time to work on your most important tasks, practice mindfulness, or engage in activities you enjoy. Whether it's reading, writing, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of coffee, a well-structured morning routine can set the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. Remember, your morning routine should be tailored to your needs and preferences. Experiment with different activities and timings to find what works best for you. Chapter 5. From Procrastination to Progress. How to stop procrastinating and start taking action. We've all been there, staring at a task that feels insurmountable, leading to procrastination. The key is to break it down. When you divide a large project into smaller, more manageable steps, it becomes much less daunting. Start with just one step and focus solely on completing that. Once done, move on to the next. This approach not only makes the task less overwhelming, but also creates a sense of momentum, propelling you forward. Remember, action breeds motivation. Often the hardest part is simply starting. So take that first step, no matter how small, and watch as you gain momentum toward your goal. Your journey to a more productive you starts now. I encourage you to experiment with the strategies we've discussed today and discover what works best for you. Track your progress, observe how your productivity and mindset shift as you implement these techniques. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be days when motivation ebbs and flows. That's completely normal. What matters is your commitment to the process. Focus on showing up consistently, even on the days when it feels challenging. Start with incorporating one new habit into your routine and commit to it for 30 days. Track your progress, reflect on the improvements, and celebrate your wins along the way. You've got this.